It's Meme Tool Monday! Except it's on a Friday. But it could be any other possible day. Meme Tool Monday! Hey guys, thought today we'd check out these interesting punches I picked up a while back. They're made by Kobalt, which is the house brand at Lowe's, and they have these nice rubber over-molded handles. But when we look at just the tip, they're gold. I thought originally that maybe they were brass starter punches, but on closer inspection, see that little dimple in the tip? That means that these are nail sets. Nail sets are used along with a hammer to set trim nails down below the surface of the wood, so it wouldn't make sense to make them out of brass, since the brass would be softer than a nail and deform when hit, giving it a mushroom tip. So I checked them with a magnet, and sure enough, they're steel, just with some kind of plating over it. I thought maybe these could be some sort of commemorative tool with 24-karat gold plating. Craftsman did do that for their anniversary, and even Harbor Freight has gold-plated tools now. So I started digging through old versions of the Lowe's website, and it turns out these are from 2015, and it's not brass or gold, it's titanium. Yeah, so that's odd. Titanium nitride is a hard, slick, extremely wear-resistant coating applied through a process called PVD, or physical vapor deposition, where pure titanium is superheated until it vaporizes. This vapor reacts with nitrogen, forming titanium nitride. Since the object to be plated is cooler in temperature, the vapor will condense on it, solidifying and forming the coating. It's the same coating you see on those gold drill bits. They're coated with titanium nitride because it's slick, and it helps keep metal chips from sticking to the drill, and it's super hard, so it increases the edge retention on the cutting edges. But why would you put titanium nitride on a nail set? It seems like a sales gimmick. Nail sets don't need to be slick. There's no edge to retain. Titanium nitride is non-toxic, and it's used on medical implants. But I don't think these were ever advertised for use as sounding rods. But I suppose you could if you wanted to. It has to be just a decorative thing. I don't see the titanium nitride providing any benefits other than making it look cool. And I guess it won't rust. Maybe at the time titanium was cheaper than chrome, so that's what they went with. Either way, it was a short-lived product. I don't remember ever seeing these for sale at Lowe's. Let me know what you think the titanium is for. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.